In this video, I'm going to show you how to change email in Fitbod. So the first thing I must tell you is that you actually cannot do it inside your app. So if you're inside the Fitbod app, unfortunately, you can't do it in there. And for me, it didn't work on the web browser on my phone either. So I had to go here on desktop, so on my computer, and I had to go to this link, which is app.fitbod.me. Again, you can try this on your phone first, but if it doesn't work, go to the web browser on your computer and go to app.fitbod.me, and then you will have to sign into your account by clicking the login button up top right. And whenever you are logged in, you want to click on your email top right, and then you want to click on where it says manage subscription. Here you want to scroll down, and then under your account you'll be able to see your email, and then it's going to say edit email over here. Now just click on the edit email button here, and then this is where it's going to tell you we sent the verification. Please open it and click the unique link inside to verify your email. So this is basically where you can go ahead and do it. So you can change your email, click save email over here, and of course after the verification you've successfully changed your email. Now if for some reason you are not seeing the change email button, so if I go back over here to edit profile, or excuse me, to manage subscription, as you can see it's not showing anymore. So I'm not sure why that is right now. So it's not even showing. Even when I verify my email, it's not showing anymore. So if that's happening to you, what I would recommend is actually reach out to support. Okay, go to the support tab up top here. It's going to tell you all the ways you can reach out, and then just select the one that you prefer. You can go to email us over here and just email them to their email, and then basically tell them you would like to change your email, tell them your account, your login info, so the email you actually used to sign in, and tell them you'd like to change it to something else, and they will help you out. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.